Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact account that owns the channel. This ensures you can edit branding. Once signed in, gather a banner image sized 2048 by 1152 pixels, under 6 MB, and confirm your key content sits inside the 1546 by 423 safe area. Next, open YouTube Studio, go to Customization, then select the Branding tab. You're doing this now so the upload step is immediate. This avoids wait. Click Change beside the banner image and upload your prepared file. YouTube will show cropping handles. Use the preview toggles to inspect desktop, mobile, and TV displays, and drag or zoom until the safe area shows your essential text and logos. You want to make sure peripheral graphics won't be cut off on phones. Once positioned, confirm the crop so YouTube generates optimized versions. If colors or contrast look off, make small edits and reupload to preserve clarity across devices. After you click Publish or Save, refresh your channel page to verify the banner renders correctly across device previews. This confirms YouTube has processed the new asset. Make sure to check from mobile, desktop, and an incognito or logged-out browser to mimic visitor views. If the banner doesn't appear or looks pixelated, clear browser cache, re-export the image at the correct dimensions and format, and reduce file size below 6 MB before reuploading. These steps resolve most processing or cache issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.